My name is Christoph and I'm a photographer that loves to travel. So I live in the beautiful city of Cape Town. Been involved with food photography in some way or another.
I'm Diane. I'm a photographer. Oh yes, a troublemaker, don't forget that. This is my friend. This is my friend before he's in the pot with garlic and bay and lemons. Hey, you're going to be so tasty. He thinks I don't speak goat, but I'm only kidding. Lamb chops for a braai.
Our intention is to go to the Baviaanskloof. We have no idea what to expect. We are going to be free camping, wild camping. Hopefully the buffalo will visit us. I've got a sun hat, sunblock.
Thank God I remembered to pack the raincoat this morning. Say Porsche. There he is. Action!
Love you long time. Thank you from hitting your toes in a chocolate in between.
I'm the gate bitch.
We're going to go to coffee. No rubbing sticks together today.
You know, I was going to, but then I thought it's like you're starting the trip with an overachiever, and like nobody likes an overachiever, so maybe night 3, okay? I can't open the packet in any case.
Cheers.
Cheers!
You can't have a chop without some spice. Salt and pepper. Some oregano. Always nice. Beautiful, eh?
Incredible.
Just a little kloofie.
We're going to have penne alla arrabbiata.
Ooh,
They are looking nice.
those are looking good. Pepperinos.
I think they're called pepperinos or pepperitos.
Ooh, those babies are going to go into there.
For you, my love.
That's where we're going. Up that road. We're up in the Kocha Mountains, traversing them into the Baviaanskloof. We've come from over those mountains already.
Cheers.
Cheers, you found your rock.
Yeah, and I'm the spider.
Check out our fun land yacht review by Frikkie. The link is in the description below. Here we go, a little bit treacherous. Following the way of the Cape Buffalo. We are in the Baviaans, walking along the river, looking for a nice swim spot. Check out the scenery. Nobody here. Coming. Yeah. Woo! Bit saggy there. Paradise. Yesterday, Cape Buffalo were grazing on the banks on this bend. 20 meters away.
We're not downwind.
Aren't we?
No, it's coming from there.
Caramelized pears. It's coming for us. Last night,
We had a hell of a night.
yeah, it came pissing down. But it's not cold, it's humid, hot. There's a big gorge or a ravine, and apparently there's some awesome pools. So we're going into the forest now, and we're going for a nice hike, and maybe a skinny dip. Woo!
There's a spider in there.